Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll share some important news regarding TS Inter first year and second year. First, the good news that TS Inter results will be declared tomorrow 22nd April at 12 pm. Results will be declared by the Deputy Chief Minister at Nampalli, Hyderabad, but students and parents can visit the website tgbie.cgg.gov.in at 12 pm on 22nd and they can view their results. So keep your hall ticket number ready. Find the link which is given in my comment section. Enter your name, hall ticket number, general course. Choose the year 2025 and click on Get Memo and you'll get the result on your screen. That is, your marks and status will appear on the screen. If it does not load, then wait a few minutes and then try again, because many students open the site at the same time to check the result. So the site may become slow or crash due to high traffic. If the site is still busy, reload or try again later. After you get your result, save a screenshot or download it on your phone. Now regarding revaluation, recounting, the cost is rupees 100 per paper for recounting and rupees 600 per paper for revaluation, along with a scanned answer script. So mostly students who are dissatisfied with their marks can apply for re-verification of answer script through the official website. So starting from April 25th up till first week of May, you can apply for this. And yes, it is possible to change college after inter first year if you are not satisfied with the college management. You'll just need to obtain a transfer certificate and necessary documents from your current college. That is, they'll have your 10th memos and all. So just collect those certificates from them and then submit it at the new college you want to take admission into. Students, for every subject, pass percentage is 35%. Out of 100, 35 marks are passing. Out of 80, 28. Out of 75, 26. So out of 500, you need to score at least 350 to pass. If the student gets less than 350, that means he or she is failed. Another thing is, if a student gets 35 marks at least in all the subjects, but in one subject he flunk, so there is a chance you can write advanced supplementary exam that will be conducted in the last week of May. The fees for writing general subjects re-exam is 460 and for practical exams it is around 600. By June 2nd, all your colleges will reopen, students. If you are a first year student, then you will move to second year in the same college. But if you are a second year student who has passed inter second year, you may apply for degree colleges. To apply for degree colleges, it is not the same as your intermediate. You have to apply through DOST application, that is Degree Online Services Telangana. The official notification for DOST will release in the month of May. Phase 1 and web options, where you can choose the type of college you want to take admission into. That will also take place from May to June. So students who have actually passed inter second year, only those students can apply for TS DOST. But if you are appearing for supplementary exams, then you can go for late DOST counseling. So I'll update you here once the DOST notification is out. So all the best, students, for your inter results, and do share with me your result. I hope all of you pass with flying colors. For more updates, just hit the bell icon, like, share and subscribe to this channel.